Daytime Live. We are so happy to have with us again Miss Jaz Elise. Doftan, what's so funny? What's so funny, Doftan?
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Hey, Jaz, what's you doing?
Good day, man.
Like you're here.
Yes.
Here we
What
go.
inspired you're here?
Honestly, I was just on Pinterest and I saw some beautiful African women and they had this kind of hairstyle without the yarn, but I loved it and I said, try a thing and put in the purple, because I like purple.
What if it gets wet?
Problem. Where they go Frenchman Cove and boy, I eat that for me in a minute. Some stay just in the water. Yeah, it got really heavy and I didn't know that it would get that heavy.
If you have like a niece, like a 1-year-old niece or a nephew, they get like, Auntie.
Or you said a kitten, a cat. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Luckily, my nieces, them see it and just ask and them just go, so them not really drag it or anything. But
Well, they're nice nieces.
problem.
All right. So you're here to perform your hot new single,
Okay.
Fresh and Clean,
Yes.
and it's loved by many. It's very uplifting. What
Thank
made
you.
you actually want to write this type of song?
It was just a state of mind, most of my music come from an honest place. So I was going through something I never feel too good, and my sister literally gave me a word where make me feel good, and she said, yo, you have it, You're talented, do your thing, feel good, and just go a road and do your best. And I kind of just put that energy into the song, and I hope that it would uplift other people for feel them best self and for just share that light with everybody, no matter what them I go through, no matter who they around them I bring them down, or just give positivity and feel fresh, step a road and do your thing.
Like you work closely with producer JLL.
Yes.
What about him mix? You guys gel so well.
A good youth, man. Like, we're really good friends, and we kind of just decided to be able to experiment and try anything. And he created a space where I could feel comfortable, come in with ideas, and same. So it's just a really lovely collaboration between the two of us. So we get fresh and clean,
But you're actually very fresh and clean creatively because you sing, you act, you dance. A lot of people don't know you do all of those things. Yeah, how you got involved with, I think you were with a company at one point, or a dance quilt,
Yes.
or a dance group. So you're going to show us some moves when you perform now?
I try to
Like teach me a couple things.
pressure.
And
I love how she go like this.
Sunny cannot dance. No, Sunny cannot dance.
Oh God, everybody can
cannot-
dance.
no.
But Sunny,
Everybody a dancer.
No. Sunny cannot dance, and
you know-
Sunny cannot cook.
You know what, Jaz Elise,
In
we're
my
going to let you
comfy.
perform now while I try to copy some of the dance moves to show when we come back, okay? So performing fresh and clean, here is Jaz Elise. Woo!
Go on, Sunny, go on.
Clean. Big up Jones with up on the guitar. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. See me when me step on the scene. Whoa, I'm so blessed and free. Rebel when me step on the scene. Whoa, I'm so fresh and clean from I open my eyes. Give thanks to the Most High. Give thanks, giving thanks for life. No stress in on my side. So when you come around, you can't hold me down. You can't kill me with no attack. Try your best in my life, now stress just a whole vibe and easy. You got to be a rebel, keep your mind right, meditate for good measure. Read the Psalms a day to chase away the devil. Keep your heart clean so your days can be better. You got to be a rebel, you have to live on a rebel. Oh, you got to be a go-getter if you really want to take it to another level. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. See me when me step on the scene. Whoa, I'm so blessed and free. Rebel when me step on the scene. Whoa, I'm so fresh and yeah. The half that has never been told. We are kings and queens with no crown. We hail from a legacy renowned. Just check your skin tone. Daddy fresh, mommy fresh. All of my siblings and friends fresh. JLL fresh, mic check. So when we step out, we're ready and blessed. Oh yes, we are kings and queens. We are kings and queens. We are fresh and clean. We are fresh and clean. We are kings and queens. We are kings and queens. Yeah. We are fresh and clean. We are fresh and clean. Yeah. Fresh and clean. Oh yeah. Oh, fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Hey, hey. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. See me when we step on the scene. Whoa, you know the good thing there. Right when we step on the, hey, whoa, I'm so fresh and clean. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Yeah, yeah, hey, fresh and clean, fresh and clean, fresh and clean.
Round of applause, Jaz Elise, Jaz Elise. Now, Jaz Elise, give us your social media info. Please.
Okay. We appreciate her so far.
Thank you. This is what I have to go through.
No worries. We say social media.
Yes.
Instagram at official Jaz Elise. And Jones, we have to big up the Gitsy. Where your social media? Where your social?
Where your social media?
Javon Jones. Instagram, Facebook Jaz Elise. Twitter Jaz Elise JA. YouTube, Bluetooth, Twitter, everything.
Jaz Elise.
Everything.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Snapchat, I joke, I'm not on Snapchat.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Remember, tomorrow at Pegasus, get your tickets for...
Miss Jamaica World?
Jamaica is so nice.
Yeah.
Go get your tickets. Get your tickets. Miss Jamaica World happen tomorrow. You have to get out. Be there. Support our ladies. Talented.
Yes. So you're doing something cool this weekend too?
Yeah, Coastal Cleanup, International Coastal Cleanup Day is tomorrow. We'll be out early in the morning, out early. It's maybe like 2 hours, so come out and support us. We'll be over at Palisades Go-Kart Track. Team me, Team Sparks, Team Christopher Johnny Daly. Those are the 3 teams, but the only team that matters is my team. If me win, I'll get things for everybody.
Everybody.
So please come on out, come support. We're going to be out there really early, from 6, 7.
All right, thank you so much for tuning in. This has been Daytime Live. Remember, we're back on Tuesday. We have much more buzz,
Chat,
vibe, and mix. He's gonna bounce me over. All right, Lucian, thank you so much for the outfit. Follow him on IG, Lucian_image. So Jaz Elise is gonna take us out. Go, Jaz.
Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. Fresh and clean, fresh and clean. See me when we step on the scene. Whoa, I'm so blessed and rebel when we step on the scene. Whoa, I'm so, yeah, fresh and in bad down. I go on with nothing. Yeah, fresh and clean, fresh and clean, fresh and all of my siblings and friends fresh. JLL fresh, mic check. So when we step out, we ready and blessed. Oh yeah.